In this section I'm going to be showing you how to design your graphics, because as a developer or as a website developer, you must understand how to do basic design. You understand? Essentially, you're just starting up like this. You need to be able to design your logo yourself, your banner, your flyers, edit the pictures and stuff like that. Do you get it? So now also edit pictures, right? Right. So now in this section, that's what I'm going to be showing you how to use, and the graphics tool that we'll be using is Canva. So to get started, you launch your browser and you go to canva.com, right? So you go to canva.com. So it's loading up. So this is how the canva.com look. Now Canva is one of the largest used graphic design platform online, because it must be online before you can use it, right? So, and it has templates that you can easily use to design a very powerful graphic design, be it flyers, be it videos, be it logos, be it any of these stuffs. Sometimes you even use it to do presentation to get. So now the first thing you need to do, if you don't have account, right, the first thing to do is for you to click on sign up. If you click on sign up, so just fill the form, right? Just fill the form, all right, because I'm logging in from my own system. That's why it is, because I've already created an account. So just go to sign up and fill the form, put in your email, put in your details, and that's all you need. And the Canva has two versions, right? They have a free version and they have a pro version. To get it, so the free version, you can still use it to do some basic designs, fantastic designs, right? So but if you see some templates that you like, that you want to, then you can make the payment. I guess it's just 400 naira per month, something like that. Or let me see if I can have I have a theme that I purchase, so I might give you access to it, but I'm not promising you that, right? So now let's get started. The first thing you need to do after you sign up is to log in. So I'm going to click on login, right? Then it's going to come here, put in your email and put in your password. So I'm going to continue as this Alice's Tech, right? So click on continue with email and then put in your email there. This is my email, and I click on continue. So it's going to tell you to enter your password. So you put in your password and you click login. So that's it. Alright, so this is how Canva environment is, right? So these are some basic stuff that we've used this Canva to do. You see all these ones that you are seeing: book cover, flyers, YouTube thumbnail, a lot of stuff that you can use it to. So we even use it to design this logo. You can see this particular logo that we use Canva to do it, right? Canva to design this logo, right? So that's how powerful Canva is. Do you get the point now? So let's get started. The first part of it is that we need to first introduce ourselves to how the environment is, right? So like I said, it has different templates. You can use templates, you can design from ground up, right? So if you want to design, we'll first look at using the template and also just customizing it yourself. Do you get? So let's start from the template. Let's take, for instance, the first on our item is logo design, how to design a logo. So for you to design a logo, what you need to do is that look at this search bar. There is this search bar here. see this search bar. What do you like to design today? So I'll just come here and say logo, right? I'll just type logo. So it's going to give me different what's it called, different logos that I can easily model. Do you get my point now? Or if you have a specific kind of um, keyword in your mind, let's say NGO, right, or charity organization or NGO logo, you get it, and press enter. Type that and press enter. It's going to check this database and give you a lot of samples of logos that you can use. Sorry. All right, so you can see different logos, right? You can see different logos. You can easily model after all this logo. So let's pick one and let me quickly explain something. All right, now you see this particular logo, right? You see there is nothing there. If you look at this one, you see something like a crown. It's telling you that it's a pro version, so you can only have access to this logo if you paid for the pro version of or pro access of this app, right? So this one is free. So anyone you don't see this sign, this is the sign I'm talking about. Let me point it to you so that you can see it. I'm talking about this. I'm talking about this sign, this particular one, this. Right. I'm talking about this. So I'm talking about this. Can you see now? I'm talking about this particular one that I'm hovering on. You want the Road Charity Foundation. You get. You want the Road Charity Foundation. You can see this icon. This one. Right. This one I'm pointing to. You can see it, right? So that's that. If you check others, you're gonna see. So you can see this one too, right? You can see this too. So there are a lot of them there that showing crown or showing a naira sign. It means that it's a paid stuff, so you need to pay for that service before you can use it. And there are a lot of, if you've paid for, because they used to do like a monthly thing, right? Like probably 400 per month, kind of. Now you just pay 400 and you have access to hundreds of thousands of templates, logo design, flyers, banners, TikTok format, thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, and a lot of stuffs like that. So and some element also, you have access to some premium elements. So I'm going to explain what premium element is when we get to that design. But what we are doing right now is just an intro. You get my point? So now that's that, right? So that's that. So scroll down, hundreds of thousands of stuffs there. All right, hundreds of thousands of stuffs. So anyone you want, you can just pick it up, right, and make use of it. So let's pick one so I can show you what I want to show you. So let's pick this one. Let's pick this particular one, right? So how you pick it is just click on it, and you can as well do all these things on your phone. You get it, just download Canva app on your phone, sign up with your username and password, and you are good. You get it? So it's not necessary that you must use a laptop for it. But sometimes you're using a phone, because it's small. So there are some element that will be hiding that you might not see. Right. So so anyone you want to pick out of this. So I'm gonna pick this. The first one, the one that has white. And I'm gonna click on customize this template. So I'm gonna click on customize this template. So all right, you can see, right? So this is the template you can work on. You get it? Now let's see how we can convert these templates to be our own logo, right? So here it also give you it will give you some option also. In case you don't like this, you can pick any of this logo by the left hand side. By the left hand side here. By the left hand side here. This side. You can pick down, you can pick, we have hundreds of logos there. Right. So that's that. Then if you look at this axis, extreme left, I'm talking about this place down, you will see some menus there. Those are the menus that you'll be working with. Are you getting me? So that's that. So let's work on this design. So what we will do, right, is that we want to change this name. So we click on it. So if you click on it, right, it's going to highlight the text. So for you to change the text, just double click. If you double click, right, you can see, then you can put your your own name there. Let's take for instance, we're having Ga Baba. Let's say this is the name of our NGO, or Ga Baba's Care. You get case, right? So let's say this is our NGO name. So after you've changed it, just click outside it so you can see it, right? So it gives you this. Now if you look at something, you can see that it's longer than what is there, right? How do you correct that, or how do you correct the color? So to change the color, you come to this place, you see text color, and change it to whatever color you want. Change to whatever color you want, or you come to this sign and pick a new color, your preferred color though. So just come here, so you can change it to whatever thing that you want or you desire, right? So let's take for instance this particular logo. Okay, we've changed this one. You can move it up a bit, right? Then click on this. You can change the color of this one also. As you click on it, see this color is the blue that you're seeing here. This purple is the one you're seeing there. So you can change it. If you want to change the blue, just click on it and change it to whatever you want. Change to whatever you want. So that's it. So you want to change the pink, just come and pick whatever color you want there. You get a point now. So when you are done, let's say that's what you want, and this one at the middle, you just click on it. Now all those things that you are clicking on, they are called elements, right? They are called elements. You can find them yourself here. Do you get it? So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now for you to do that, let's say you need an element, right? If you look at your right hand side, your left hand side, you see elements. If you click on the element, click on it, right, it's going to load up, and right at the top here, type the name of element you're looking for. Now here, now let's say I'm looking for heart, right? So heart, right? So I'm going to click on that. So it's going to give me art. You can see this art that you're seeing here is still the same thing, same heart here. So for you to bring it here, just click on it. When you click on it, it comes here. Excuse me, can you see that? So that's that. To reduce it, you use this node, this dot corner that you're seeing, to reduce it, right? So you can see, you can increase, you can reduce. To change the color, select it and come to color and change it to whatever color you want it to be, right? Any question there? I don't think you have question, right? because it's self-explained. Right, so let's continue with this. So this is what we want, and here this line, we can as well change this line to the color of this text. So I'm going to come here, then click on this, then I'm going to come here, then I'm going to click on this. Right, so here I can select the two at once and change the color. Do you get it? Also this one too, double click on it and change it to whatever thing you want to change it to. You can change it like foundation, so probably you want to change this one to foundation or whatever thing that you want. Just change it to whatever you want, foundation. So so that is that. You can see, right? So I can change this color. Also come here and I'll use this navy blue, and that's all. You get it? And so basically that is how you design your logo using a template. Am I talking sense? So that's that. If you want to edit this one that I'm hovering on, what you need to do basically is just to come here, select the two. You see the two are selected, then reduce it. Just reduce it. Reduce, right? Or you can change it to your own style. You can just remove it if you want. If you like, you can just remove it. Remove it from there. You can remove it and bring this one back. Okay. Then also you can, because you need to be creative, right? So here I can just come here and look for circle. And just come and say circle because I need something like a circle. Okay, so this is a circle shape. Then I'm going to reduce it to the very smallest of the smallest, right? I'm going to reduce it to the smallest of the smallest. And then if you mistakenly pull something that you're not supposed to, just press Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z is undo. Am I talking sense? So pull this one here, then you can duplicate it. This is duplicate that I want to double it, so you can just duplicate it and take it to this side. Then you can change the color. Change the color. Click on this one too. Change the color. Right. So basically this is awesome. This is very simple, right? Now after you are done, take for instance you want it to be bigger. You can just select all, click outside and drag, or press Ctrl A. Right? Select all and drag it. So you can see. So move it to the center and you are having your perfect logo set up in less than 5 minutes. And this is what somebody will charge you 10,000 naira to do, and you're doing it yourself. That's awesome, right? So that's been said, and that is how to use your template to get your logo design, right? And if you look at this page 2 of it, you can see the same logo, but we might not really need it because we might design variety of it. Probably if you are presenting it to customer or presenting it to someone to approve to approve it. But in this case, we are the one that is doing this ourselves. So this one is okay by me. So I'm going to use this. You get my point now. Now, how do you get this thing out of this place? Now, to get this out of this place, you come to this share. Probably you want to download it to your system so that you can use it on any place you want to use it. Right? Sorry. So come here, come to this share, click on that share, So when you click on the share, right, it's going to pop up this information for you. Scroll down and you're going to see download. You get it? You're going to see download, right? So click on download, and PNG, it's a preferred size, and we'll not be able to have a background, transparent background, because we are using a free version. Do you get it? We are using a free version, so no cause for alarm. We'll leave it. So it's just the page one. Select pages. It's just the page ones that I want. So I'm going to select only page one. I'm going to select only page one. You should download only page one for me. This current page one. So I'm going to click on done, and then click on download. So it's going to download it. Alright, so after download, you're going to see it right here in on your bar, on your task bar, that it's been downloading. You can see this, you can see it. So downloaded. Right, then the name of this file that you downloaded, the name of the file you downloaded is pink, colorful, illustrative, whatever, but you can change it to your own, so that when you are working, you know the project this is. So yours Ega Baba, which is the name of the project, right? So that's that, right? So that's that. Basically, that's how to use Canva. And now let's see what we've downloaded, and let's see how it look. So here, if you click on this, if you double click on that to open it up, all right. So now let's see what we downloaded, right? So this is it. You can see it. Look at this. Can you see that? All right. So why is it okay? So just click on this. Let's open it so that you can see what you've been able to do. So you can see beautiful, right? Beautiful. So that's how to design your logo, right? So now, as you're seeing the logo, there might still be some things I want to do. Probably you don't want all these white spaces. You want it to be transparent and likes. So what you need to do is that just make it cover the entire page. This is what I'm saying. Just select all, right, and increase it, right, increase it, centralize it, right, so that it become, because the size of this size now is like 500, is 500 by 500, 50 by 50, right? So that's that basically. And when you're okay with it, you can just make it fly, right? So thank you very much. This is how to design your logo. So we're going to be meeting in the next part of this graphic design using Canva.